I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions. You need site owner or Sharepoint admin rights. Once confirmed, open Sharepoint Home and choose Create Site, then select Communication Site so you get the right templates and features. Name the site, assign an owner, pick language and site address. These choices affect search and URL structure. Make sure to choose a design that fits your audience so you won't redo layouts later. Click Create and wait for the new site to provision before moving on. Once the site exists, start designing pages by choosing a layout, 1 column for focus, 2 or 3 columns for modular content. Add web parts like Hero for visual focus, news for announcements, quick links for navigation, and image/text for context. This is where you build user journeys. Make sure to use section controls to resize, reorder, and set backgrounds so the flow is clear. Also configure link behavior and accessibility labels so users and search can find content. When content is ready, save and publish the page so it's visible to your audience. Then configure navigation, header, footer, and optionally associate the site with a hub for unified branding. Make sure sharing settings and site permissions match who should view or edit. Finally, test on mobile and different browsers. If pages or web parts don't appear, check user permissions first, then force a search index recrawl or clear browser cache. These fixes resolve most visibility and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.